event, and we heartily welcome you to the TYRO Nights 2023 of the batch Flamingo. We are really honored to have our respected Dean Sir, Professor, PSW Sir, Registrar Sir, have you all with us today and to welcome you all on the behalf of College of Biotechnology and us, seniors, to enjoy the event.
You know what? College is incomplete without hefty dose of glamour, fashion and chicness. It's like everyday college is like your own red carpet where you can flaunt your fashion curtain.
With this, we would like to invite Mr. and Miss Freshers of second year batch, Anupam and Harshita, to embrace the stage. Miss Freshers Batch 2021-22, and I welcome you all to the TYRO Nights 2023.
Good evening everyone, myself Anupam Mishra, Mr. Fresher Batch 21-22. Thank you.
Sir, his department is Department of Biochemistry and Physiology.
I am Shivapati from Vidya. My advisor name is Dr. Pankaj Chauhan, sir.
Everyone, myself Navya Sharma. I am from Muda Pandaka. My advisor's name is Dr. Purushottam sir. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Ankur Kumar. I am from Bagpat and my advisor name is Dr. Nilesh Kapoor sir. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Satyam Verma. I am from Lakhimpur Kheri. My advisor name is Pankaj.
I am from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh, and my advisor name is Pankaj Kumar sir.
Good evening everyone. This is Neeraj Kumar from Mau. My advisor name is Dr. Nilesh Kapoor, sir.
My name is Nikita Singh. I am from Varanasi and my advisor name is Dr. Akash Tomar sir.
Good evening everyone. Myself Neel Kamal. I am from Samastipur, Bihar. My advisor sir name is Dr. Nilesh Kapoor, Department of Plant Biotechnology.
Good evening everyone, myself Jatin from Rajasthan and my advisor is Dr. Pankaj Kumar sir. Thank you.
My name is Sonali Kumari. I am from Bihar and my advisor name is Dr. Sandeep Kumar sir.
Good evening everyone, myself Ritesh Raj. I am from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand and my advisor is Dr. Akash Tomar sir.
Myself Kushi Sharma from Bagpat. My advisor is Dr. Shalini Gupta ma'am.
Hello everyone. Good evening. Myself Arun Kumar More. I am from Varanasi. My advisor name is Nilesh Kapoor. Dr. Nilesh Kapoor. Sir.
Hello everyone. Myself Aishi Raj. I am from Meerut and my advisor is Dr. Amit Kumar.
Good morning everyone. My name is Abhishek Verma and I am from Meerut. My advisor name is Dr. Akash Tomar sir.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditi Sharma. I am from Meerut and my advisor name is Dr. Purushottam sir.
Hi everyone, my name is Balram Singh. I am from Badaयूं. My advisor name is Dr. Purushottam Tomar sir.
Good evening everyone. My name is Akshat and I am from Dorala Meerut. My advisor name is Dr. Sandeep Kumar. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Muskan Verma. I am from Meerut and my advisor name is Dr. Akash Tomar sir. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Dipanshu Singh. I am from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh and my advisor name is Dr. Rekha Dixit.
Everyone, my name is Divya and I am from Mathura and my advisor name is Dr. Pankaj Chauhan sir.
Good evening everyone. My name is Tushar Chauhan. I am from Bijnor and my advisor name is Dr. Pankaj Chauhan sir.
Good evening everyone. My name is Khushi Gupta. I belong from Agra and my advisor name is Dr. Rekha Dixit ma'am.
Good evening everyone. My name is Vivek and I am from Khurja Blanchar and my advisor name is Mr. Dr. Pankaj Kumar. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Anukya Arman. I am a native of Darbhanga, Bihar and my advisor name is Dr. Nilesh Kapoor sir.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Ayush Goel. I am from Meerut. My advisor name is Dr. Pankaj Kumar. Thank you.
Good evening everyone to one and all present over here. My name is Khushi Verma and I was born and brought up in Bareilly. My advisor name is Dr. Rekha Dixit ma'am. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Satyaprakash Singh. I am from Siddharnagar. My advisor name is Dr. Rekha Dixit ma'am. Good evening everyone. My name is Parvinder. I am from Sajapur. My advisor name is Dr. Pankaj Chauhan sir, Department Sarbalu.
Good evening everyone present here. Myself Soumyani Srivastava. I was born and brought up in city of Nawabs, Lucknow. My advisor name is Dr. Rekha Dixit. Thank you.
A very good evening
am from Viranga Lakshmibai Junction, and my advisor is Dr. Pankaj Kumar sir. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is
Light
Himanshu
जलवाया है।
Raj and my advisor
Light
name
जलवाया
is Dr.
सामने वाली।
Purushottam sir and I am from Varanasi. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Gauri Gururani. I am from Lucknow and my advisor's name is Dr. Shalini Gupta ma'am.
Good evening everyone, respected professor and seniors and juniors. Not juniors but we are juniors. Myself Ritik and I am from Devariya and my advisor name is Dr. Rekha Dikshit ma'am.
Thank you.
सभी को प्रणाम। मेरा नाम विश्वजीत सिंह है, मैं मऊ से हूँ और मेरे एडवाइज़र का नेम डॉक्टर शालिनी गुप्ता मैम है, ये प्लांट बायोटेक डिपार्टमेंट से।
Good evening everyone. My name is Divyanshi Tiwari and I am from Varanasi and my advisor name is Dr. Nilesh Kapoor sir. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Vanda Raj. I am from Lucknow. My advisor name is Dr. Nilesh Kapoor.
Good evening everyone. My name is Nishant Rana and I am from Modipuram, Meerut and my advisor name is Dr. Purushottam sir.
Good evening everyone. My name is Nandini. I am from Meerut and my advisor name is Dr. Purushottam sir. Thank you.
Good evening everybody. My name is Uttam Sharma and my advisor is Dr. Sandeep Kumar.
Good evening everyone. My name is Priyanka. I am from Rajasthan and my advisor's name is Dr. Akash Thakur sir.
सभी को मेरा प्रणाम। मैं रोडा रोड मेरठ से हूँ। मेरा नाम अश्विनी कुमार है और मेरे जो एडवाइज़र डॉक्टर शालिनी गुप्ता है।
My name is Monali Dutt and I am from Jajpur, Odisha and my advisor is Dr. Rekha Dikshit ma'am.
Good evening everyone. My name is Amit Sharma and I am from Lucknow and my advisor name is Dr. Pankaj Kumar sir.
A very pleasant evening to all of you present here. I am Samriti Agnihotri. I am from Gola Gokhan Nath and my advisor name is Dr. Shalini Gupta ma'am. Thank you very much.
Good evening everyone. This is me Manu Mishra from Gorakhpur and my advisor name is Dr. Sandeep Kumar sir. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Vandana Chaudhary and I am from Bishnor and my advisor name is Dr. Sandeep Kumar.
Good evening everyone. I am Abhay from Saranpur. My advisor is Dr. Purushottam sir.
Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Sakshi from Sisoli, Muzaffarnagar and my advisor name is Dr. Sandeep Kumar sir. Thank you.
Ram Ram ji. My name is Amrish Kumar Srivastav. I am from Ayodhya and my advisor name is Dr. Akash Thakur sir.
Ruchi Gupta and I am from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, and my advisor name is Dr. Pankaj Kumar sir. Thank you.
This is Medha Singh and I am from Patna, Bihar, and my advisor name is Dr. Shalini Gupta ma'am. Good evening everyone. My name is Anushka and I am from Bareilly. My advisor name is Dr. Purushottam sir. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, this is Arohi from Pili. My advisor is Dr. Sandeep Kumar sir. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, myself Upasna, I am from Dehradun and my advisor is Dr. Akash Tulsi. Good evening everyone, my name is Shivangi Patra, I am from Ghaziabad and my advisor name is Dr. Purushottam sir. Thank you.
Can we have a huge round of applause for them?
So, yes, we have seen their faces and they are even prettier ramparts. Now, it's time to assess their talent as well. Let's get this ball rolling, guys.